What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Flare, which has hit a green candle guys. It is up just about 10% in the last 24 hours, nearly hitting the 4 cents target. So what is next for Flare? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value, or is it going to stabilize around its current price range like it has been over the last approximately week or so? And again, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, can Flare be affected in a positive or negative way? So that's what we're going to be going through, covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Is it worth selling it if you're on a profit, or is it simply time to be holding on to it? And also looking at its prediction in April, and of course for the rest of the year, looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Flare, which is here in purple at 0.03532 cents, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.0372 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is because of the major increase in value that's taken place over the last few hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that price over the coming hours, which is not realistic and it is very unlikely to take place. Yes, it is likely to hit green candles, but not as huge as they were before, and it is likely to also hit more red candles over the coming hours as well, because of the pump that's taken place. So overall, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Flare to be hovering around 0.036 cents in value, so at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy. It's going to be a very more dip down in value with a mixture of both green and red candles. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days guys, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction once again, and they are looking quite steep as well. So again, this is not as realistic as it seems once again guys. So over the coming week, I am expecting Flare to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially just over 4 cents in value is where I'm expecting Flare to be trading at by the end of next week. Reason being is it has gone through quite of a dip last week guys. So if I zoom out to the weekly chart, the crypto is down 10%. However, we can see that it has taken quite of a dip here back in on the 27th of April, 26th and 27th of March, which was a few days ago, and another dip here yesterday as well. But right now it's slowly starting to recover, and I'm expecting it to recover a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the coming week, which should lead to an overall minimal increase in value for Flare. Heading over 4 cents is what my expectations are. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line again looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, in this case, they are not looking as steep as it was previously. So this is much more realistic guys. They are just about slanting towards a positive direction. So yes, an overall increase in value in is expected from Flare over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late May 2024, I'm expecting Flare to be heading over the 6 cents value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April. This should have a positive impact, not just on the value of Flare, but the crypto market in general. We should see slow recovery and slow increases in value, which also includes Flare. So as I said, I'm expecting it to head over the 6 cents value by mid to late May is what my expectations are. However, I do tend to keep this crypto regularly updated on the channel, so if there are any major changes, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload and to stay in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are literally at its resistance level here in the blue zone, and over the next few weeks I am expecting it to break out from the blue zone into the top tier level here and heading higher than where it is at the moment. Over the 6 cents value is what I'm expecting at the moment, but again, I will keep you guys updated if any changes. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 200% in the last 24 hours, making it over $39 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious. The crypto has pumped up quite a bit since this afternoon, so a lot more people are trading the crypto. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders, which in return is also helping the value of Flare pump up even higher than where it is at the moment. Last week was quite of a shaky week, as you guys can see, pumps and drops in value, and over the month it is down 20%, guys. So yes, it has gone through quite of a drop over the last month, which is not looking too great. However, I'm expecting it to slowly recover over the coming weeks, heading over 5-6 cents as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting Flare to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, 10 cents is pushing it a little bit, but towards the very end of the year, early next year, I am expecting Flare to be hitting the 10 cents target, because we have to take into consideration the dips that are likely to take place in between as well. But again, I will keep you guys updated on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.